Hello family, YT. I'm back today to make another gardening video and to share some of my crafts that I placed around the balcony to create some garden, happy decor, happy place, happy space. So hope you guys enjoy this gardening video. I'm just going to share some of my plants, try and come on as much as often, share some of my plants and some of the stuff I'm creating, like that car in the background back there. I'm about to crochet several of those, and I'm just sharing it out here, but I'm going to have them in the house on the wall, so when I go back into the craft room, y'all can see what I'm doing. So I think it's cute. That's my little car. I'm going to put magnets on it so I can put it on the refrigerator. You know, that's like a fallish one right there. It's going to be several, I'm going to have several different colors of them, so stay tuned for that. That's one of the things I'm going to be doing. And let me turn this camera around so y'all can see, so I can say hello in the video. Just some of the plants that I'm going to share with y'all today. That's my mint, elephant, bush, some jade, thumb plant, the flame torch. I thought it wasn't going to make it, but it just didn't like a lot of water. Once you learn the habits of your plants and how they behave in certain environment, and what you how you treat them, how you take care of them. Once you learn their behaviors, their habits, their likes, dislikes, whatever, then it's gonna be much easier journey for you taking care of them, and then propagating them, and then you can make more of them, and then it won't be so hard for their plant care routine, because one guinea pig is enough. Unless you like me, I've killed several rosemaries. That's why I had to order me another one till I get the rosemary plant care routine down correctly. I'm not gonna have a rosemary. I did do it once and I had a huge one. I don't know what, I have to look through my own garden update playlist. I do have a garden update playlist. You guys look through my playlist and you can go through my videos and you'll see all the gardening I've done in the past. And also, this plant here doesn't like a lot of sun. It was in the shade most of the time, and it just kind of looked like, to me, it got taller, but it drawed up more. It's a nice little plant. This is one of the babies I got when I ordered these guys here. These are my go-to to propagate more of these succulents and things here. So for people who want to begin, just get you a few, like 3-4 succulents, and then train them, get them to grow, and then start learning how to propagate and just make more of that plant. Once you get them trained, then you're on your way. Well, let me turn around and say hello. I'm gonna get my hand in the way. Then I got to get this camera right. Hello everyone, how you guys doing today? As you can see, I got some more, I just, like I said in the beginning, I just put some of my craft work around so I can create a happy space while I'm out here. Some of this stuff ain't staying out here, so y'all can see. I put my little people. I even got Bow, the evil troll from my reindeer family. I got him out here hanging out in the garden with me today. Y'all remember him? Leave it in the comments. Y'all remember my reindeer brothers? This is Bow, the evil troll, hanging out in the garden with me today. And also, I just got my little owl there. It fell all apart. One of my craft pieces. Some of my little fall Where you at? There you go. Some of my fall people sitting out here. It's nice and cool out here today. I'm gonna go in there and get ready to look at George Floyd's Memorial Day. Hope you guys will watch it too. You know what's up? No justice, no peace. And then y'all remember these guys just hanging out. Happy space, happy place, happy space. Hope you guys are decorating your gardening space. So yeah, I got on my workout shirt. Can y'all see my workout shirt? I don't know how I'm handling this camera, if it's in the right place or not. So anyway, maybe y'all can't see all that. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to be talking about some plants that I already possess, that I have propagated a few of them. And I'm just going to share that with you guys today. And hopefully this thing is still recording. And I'm going to get started with that. I'm trying to stay smiling. I ain't got all 32, but I show enough of them, don't I? But anyway, you guys, let me get started and let me share with you some of my plants and tell you guys the story behind the plants and what I've learned about them so far. And here we go. Let me go back to the plants. Okay, y'all remember I got this is tarragon. It was struggling really hard. I come to find out it doesn't like a lot of water. The tarragon does not like a lot of water, but it finally grew because I kept it dry, just dry enough. I'm gonna have to get me a spray bottle. Some things like to be moist, not wet. They want to be damp but not wet. And I'm gonna have to take these succulents out of here because I tend to give them a lot more water than I would the tarragon. So these are coming out. And that's my tarragon. Grew 2 inches. And it's getting a new leaf. Look at that. So it likes me now. Hopefully it'll survive longer. And then I show you guys my mint. I learned my mint, it doesn't like the morning sun, I guess. It looks more like a afternoon, evening sun type of character. Because I moved it, and this is how it grew when I moved it back to its original spot where it get the afternoon, evening sun. So that's my mint. That's my spearmint plant right here. And it looks totally different. It used to be a rich dark green color, but now it's not so rich and green, but it's still beautiful. And this is my elephant bush. I have broken off of this plant to make several more of these plants here. I love this elephant bush plant. It's easy to propagate, and it doesn't require a lot of anything. Hold on. Okay, back. I guess. Okay, so I was saying that the elephant bush is cool. With me, after I train my plants, it doesn't require a lot. I just break some off, poke it in my soil, and leave it alone. Water it infrequently. Probably, I don't know, twice a week, whatever I do that one. I think most of the plants get water just twice a week. And this right here is another one of my propagated plants right here. Several varieties of succulents are in here. I'm gonna give me later on, I'm gonna give me some different types of succulents. Right now I only have, I guess, like maybe 7 different types. They have so many beautiful ones, so I'm just gonna try and pick up. But these right here, I've trained them. I just break them off. People call them cuttings, whatever. And I just poke them in the dirt in my soil that I created, and they just grow. Like this one, like I said, the torch flame, because I forgot Dang. Wait, it look like, hold on. Y'all see the new life? I need something to poke with. It's got a new leaf. I guess y'all can see it. It doesn't look like the same. See the new life? And all the roots, I gotta set. Okay, y'all, my camera keep cutting out, but my husband gave me some more soil today because this plant need a little bit more soil because I was looking at its roots exposed. But I do have some new life right there. You can see the difference from the rough, coarse leaf here, and this is the smoother leaf. This is the new leaf, so this can be propagated. I'm doing something good. Well, I'm gonna cut this video short. I don't know what's wrong with this camera, but I did charge the battery all night. I must have it on the wrong settings. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this gardening video about my propagated plants, me creating a happy space, me trying to create a happy. Bye.